Alright, so we're going to replace these speakers. These are Sony's, but they're blown, and we're going to put these bows in. These are just cheap things I got off the internet. That's how we're going, because we aren't trying to get too crazy. Alright, well, we are going to get this underway. I'm just going to unbolt this. Now, to take these out, there's no easy way. You literally have to take this whole panel off. And I don't have a back seat, so it makes it easier for me. But yeah, I had to pull the whole panel off to get to it. So if you have to do it, that's how you do it. It's a pain in the butt, and good luck. Alright, so we're going to replace these guys and get these other speakers put in. So some people are probably wondering why I'm putting new speakers in a track car. Why not? See, I'm gonna probably daily this car too, and I like having tunes, so you know. I mean, it is kind of hard to hear over the muffler on this car, but it's all good. We'll figure it out, and it'll be all good. Alright, let's get this other side done, and it will look like this side, and then we can button everything back up. And I'm gonna do some more sealing around the back of the car too, just to see if I can stop some of this water. Alright, but we're gonna get this speaker put in, and that's gonna be it. So I reused the person that installed this before me, their professional wood screws. So yeah, I just put them back in. It's all good. They're basically screwed into the plastic, so not going to try to find any other screws. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back up here. It's good to go. It sounds pretty good. So we're going to put that up and then work on getting everything put back together. Alrighty, well, I got the rear end put back together. Put a little paint on that the rear end a little bit too, just to get the places that were like had a little bit of rust on them. So that'll take care of that. One thing I want to do is I'm going to spray those back panels. I'm going to get some in-car, paint for interior. Spray those panels black because they just don't look that well. So other than that, I have parts coming for this car, just lots of parts. I have a new steering wheel. The cruise control doesn't work in this car, so we're going to remove that. We'll end up deleting that. Plus, you don't need cruise control. I don't ever use cruise anyway. I mean, no matter what car I have, I never use it. I actually got the cruise working in that car, and I still don't use it. So, other than that, we got a brand new radio coming. The actual good stuff to fix all of this, so this isn't like this and this deck. I'm not really into this whole CD thing. I mean, I've got some CDs, but I usually like to just put the SD card in there and roll with it. So. All right, but you guys take it easy. Peace out.